Once you click the link, this is what you will see. Okay, so you just hit start and you will start your validation process. You click on create an account, then it will instruct you or prompt you to join these two platforms. These two platforms, you are just joining it to prove that you are not a robot. Do you understand? Because a robot cannot truly follow these two prompts. So you click on this first one, you go back, you click on the second one. This is just to prove, so that they will confirm that okay, you're not dealing with a robot. If you don't join the two, you cannot start earning, because they will think you are a robot. Because so many people will send robots to do this thing for them so that they will earn more. Then you click on confirm. Successful registration. Now it will tell you welcome. It will write your name, the name on your Telegram on online jobs. You are now a member. Now look at the perk. This is the instruction on how to earn, and this is what you earn. Each time somebody clicks on the bot and validates their membership, you get 6,000 naira. When you get to this point, you just click. This is the online channel where they drop the receipts, everybody that they make payments to. Then you click on this home. Once you click on this home, you will see this is your account. Okay, if you click on your account, you will see how much you have. 0 naira. Okay, this is bonus. You have received 2,000 naira as a loyalty bonus today. Every day you come and claim. Every day you come here, you click on bonus, you get to 2,000 naira. Look at my account balance again. Have you seen it has stopped to 2,000? The bonus is available once a day. Claim again in 23 hours. That is by tomorrow. To start working, you click on advertising. And what you have to do, very simple, you copy this message, you press and hold and click on copy. Share it to your Facebook, your WhatsApp, anywhere you want to share it. Somebody clicks the link, the agent will just notify you that somebody has clicked your link. So this I'm doing is with one of my Telegram accounts, and I used the referral link of my first Telegram account to log in with this one. So now what I'm going to do is, see that I've earned 2,000 in this second Telegram account, I will go to the first Telegram to see if there is a change in my balance. I will now switch my Telegram account. Okay, now look at it. Because I earned 2,000 yesterday plus the 6,000 I've received, 8,000 naira. So you see, this is how much I have in my account now. It's the first time I tried it. I was saving money until I got up to like 100k, and now withdrew some and use the rest to do other things. So it's withdrawable. You can withdraw into your local bank, your wallet. You can change it to crypto. I need to save money. We're already in half of the year, so let me do this pattern and be saving money somewhere. Okay.